Fatuous is an adjective that describes something or someone as silly, foolish, or lacking intelligence, often in a self-satisfied or oblivious manner. D'origins, the word comes from the Latin fatuus, meaning foolish or insipid. It entered English in the 17th century, maintaining its connotation of folly or lack of sound judgment. Explanation and usage. Fatuous is typically used to criticize remarks, ideas, or behaviors that are not only foolish, but also display an air of smugness or ignorance. Example sentences: his fatuous comments during the meeting annoyed everyone. It's fatuous to assume success will come without hard work. The plan was dismissed as a fatuous scheme, lacking any real substance. Now, cultural significance. The term is often used in formal or critical contexts, such as political commentary, academic discussions, or literary works, to highlight absurdity or thoughtlessness in ideas or actions. Synonyms: inane, silly or lacking meaning; foolish, lacking good sense or judgment; vacuous, empty-headed, or devoid of ideas. And antonyms: intelligent, showing high mental capacity or insight; prudent, acting with care; and good judgment, astute, having keen perception or understanding. Your key takeaway: fatuous highlights a blend of silliness and self-satisfaction, often used to critique thoughtless behavior or remarks that lack depth or intelligence.